it's Gina with WTI. And if you want to elevate the next party that you throw, then you're going to want to decorate your tables or other things with these amazing table runners that I got from Socomi. As soon as I took them out of their package and felt the fabric, I was instantly impressed. These are so soft and gauzy, and they look fabulous on the tables. I got the gold colored ones, and I would say this is a medium gold tone. They come packaged tied in a rope, so when you take them apart, they're going to have that kind of a crinkly look to them, which I thought looked really good. And in order to maintain that, when I was done using them, I went ahead and tied them back into that rope again. I actually found that these were fun to use around my house too. So I think they look good on a side table with some flowers, or as you can see, I even hung them over our bed, and I think it really added to the cute boho look that I have going on in our bedroom. I feel that these are must-haves for any party that I'm going to be throwing, and I love that Socomi has so many colors to choose from. I think you're going to love them too, and that's my point of view.